All right, here's part 2 of the Dansco videos. Again, I just grabbed the next box off the top. We're going to do a live unboxing, and then I'm going to look up each one, see what they're worth. And again, I've never owned a Dansco album. I've never filled one. I've never even had one in my hands. I mean, I've seen them at coin shops, but not really interested in collecting that way. But I guess it's super popular, and it's made in the United States. All right, this box is rather large, so let's take these out. Here, I'm gonna actually let me move my my light box is not designed for these massive items, so let me pull this box out and I'll stack these and show them to you one by one. You know what? Let's just do it this way. I'll be lazy. Literally, my light box is falling apart. See the top? It's falling because it's only stuck with tape. So, all right, let's set these down like this. I'll get this box out of here. Now again, I picked this up from a reseller. Oh man, my light box is really falling apart. Hold on, let me pause this. Look at this. This whole thing's falling. There's too much weight in here. Let's see if it sticks up there. There, that'll have to do for now. All right, let me get this box out of here. Let me pause it real quick. All right, let's see what we got. So, ooh, peace dollars. Very cool. This one's pretty thin, but the reason is there's not a lot of peace dollars. What was it, 1921 to 1935, and then there's missing years in between, right? So 100% made in America. Very cool. I don't think anyone has a sealed peace dollar listed item. Next is the Eisenhower dollars. Eisenhower. And this is interesting. So the other Danscos I noticed, oh, it does have a model number. It's hard to see. So that's the 7176. The peace dollar was interesting enough, a 71. It's hard to see. Let me zoom in here. So 7175 is the peace dollar, and a 7176 is the Eisenhower. Next are Roosevelt Dimes, 1947, including proof-only issues. So this book's pretty thick. Just goes to show you how many Roosevelt dimes are, because dimes are little guys. But again, it's very cool, sealed. 8125 is the model number on that. This, I think, is the most valuable one. Now, it does have some kind of mark here on the book, but nobody, I think, has these. These are really rare. So this is the U.S. commemorative coin. So those are your Columbia one, I think, is the one it starts with. All the different coins. This is a pretty rare set. So this is 7095 Volume 1 and 7095 Volume 2. I think that's the one that's $120. I was really excited when I saw that listing. And next is a Lincoln cents. It does have some dentage here on the bottom, but that's okay. These things are meant to get used a lot. This is a 7100. Let's see if it actually is sealed or brand new. Yep. A professional line Dansco coin albums. Ooh, I'm going to check this out. Sorry guys, I've never seen one of these booklets before. Supreme World Coin Library albums. Prices effective January 2007. Okay. So this is what they would charge for these booklets back in the day. So they look anywhere from $27.99 to $29.99. Oh, the most expensive one looks like Kennedy $50, including proofs, $34.95. Not sure why that's more. Maybe it's a very thick book. Oh, here it is. Early $50. That one's real expensive, $47.95. So this is 2007. This is our last recession. Well, you can even make your own coin album. Again, is this history? Is something like this cool? Does anyone still own this? It's not that old. And it shows you the instructions on how to take your coins and take care of them, even as foreign coin albums. I don't know. Is this something cool? And I've never seen it, so this is new to me. Maybe you guys in the watching video are you're stupid, dude, and you probably turn it off by now. But anyways, here it is, man. This is original. This definitely has not been used, and man, it would be so cool. If this had the 1909 SVDP and BU in it, it'd be a coin that's worth as much as my as a car. I think that's the rare one, the 1909 SVDP. Like that's the one like no one ever can fill. And if they do, like they're not going to just put it in there. It'll probably be graded because I think even like a good graded one's like 1,000. But yeah, this thing's thick. Oh, there's more stuff popping out of the bottom here. What is this? Dansco Arcol quality slipcase with silver guard, corrosion, and heavy protection. Oh yeah. So there's cases, I've seen these, where so you like fill up your album, but then like if you're really worried about your coins, then you can buy like one of these slip cases. And they at the time were $9.45 each. Super cool. Yeah, look at them all. They had like different sizes. 100% made in America. Man, that's sad. I wonder if another company's going to buy this company out and start producing these again. I mean, these are like there are no albums like this. Seriously, guys. Like this is like the creme de la creme. And if you're going to spend all the money on coins and the time, like might as well get something cool. I mean, look at this. Look at this. And that is why that VDB is worth so much. Like mintage 484,000. Like this is like you don't even need the internet. It's like right here. So I don't know, like, do you look like a dork if you take one of these to your coin shop and say, all right, I'm here to fill up my album? They'll just laugh at you, be like, yeah, we don't do that. We just sell bullion. Go away. All right, so let me look these up and see if I came up on these. I know I came up on the commemorative ones, but let's take a look online live with me. Stand by. Look at this stack. It's like totally growing. All right, let me go to my computer screen. All right, so I wrote the model numbers down. Let me zoom in a little bit here. See how I do the search. So again, just put in Dansco. The first one's 7100. Go to new. There's 24 new ones of these. A lot of them are just the pages. And this is the Lincoln set. So look at that, $45.95 with free shipping. I'm assuming shipping on these, if they're like big like this, it's gotta cost at least $10. So again, looks like I did all right on that. Next is the 7095, and this is the commemorative one. So there's a volume 1 and a volume 2. So pre-owned, $83.99. And let's look at, yeah, there are no brand new ones. So pre-owned, $90 for used. So let's go to sold. And there were 3 new ones sold. This one's been open. That was just $80. Here it is, 110. That just sold. It's October 14th. Obviously, it's a little nicer because it is sealed, but this guy just sold his. $110 plus $12 shipping handling. Like, that's huge. Like, I got the book for $19, and it's a double book. New, still an original package. So those super rare. So again, I'm learning like you guys are. Maybe you guys already know this, but if you find a Dansco 7095 in your coin shop and they're only asking $20, $30, even used, you're going to double up. Again, it comes in volume 1, volume 2. But yeah, the combo is worth at least $80 used and 110 brand new. That's really cool. All right, the next one will be the 8125. I think that was the, that's the Roosevelt dimes. So pre-owned's $15. So those are pretty common. And brand new, $42. And actually brand new sealed, like $50. So super excited about that. That's awesome. And then the next one should be the Peace and the Eisenhower. So this one's the Eisenhower. So brand new Eisenhower sold for $32, which is cool, brand new. That one's pretty common, so probably not going to make a lot of money on that, but that's okay. You can't make money on all of them. That would be a super home run. Peace dollars, no pages. All right, let's go to new. Brand new sealed, about $30, and that one just sold in August. Let's see if there's anyone's got it listed. Dansco 7175. Interesting. Here it is. Nope. Did I write that one down wrong? Am I blind? Like, I don't see it. I see slip covers. Wow, no one's got a Peace dollar, 7175. Dansco. All right, ended recently. $60. Yeah, no one's got a brand new one. Oh, someone sold for 90. All right, let me take it off a new. All listings. Oh, here it is, $31. Someone's like doing an auction. Let me take off new though. Let's see. Yeah, so if I list this Peace Dollar one, I might be able to get $80 for it. That's kind of cool. I wasn't expecting that, so we'll see. I might not be greedy. I might just list it. I mean, some of these guys got it at 67. So anyways, I'll get that listed. All right, well, let me go back to my lightbox. All right, well, this concludes part 2 of 4 of the Dansco album collection. Again, I'm just going through all these, just showing you guys what they're currently selling for. Again, this could change, but this is what they're going for now. I'm going to open up 2 more boxes that I got from the same reseller. And again, if you see these in your coin shops, they brand new, they go for about $40. But if you see it for like $10 or at a flea market or an estate sale, just grab them. They're definitely worth at least 20. But if you find a sealed one, and so far the this one here, the U.S. commemorative, that's big bucks. That's like $120. But there is volume 1 and volume 2, so that seems to be the most rare one. All right, let me get to the next video. Please like, share, subscribe this one, and I'll post the next one on the next video. Appreciate you guys watching.